Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the PS4 error code WS-37403-7. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing you guys can do is actually simply just turn off your PS4, and what you're going to do is you're going to put your PS4 into safe mode. Now if you do not know how to do that, do not worry, I will show you in this video. And basically what you're gonna have to first do is wait for the PS4 to completely turn off, and so you will know the PS4 has been completely turned off when these blinking lights also shut off. And then once these blinking lights shut off, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna have to hold on the power button for about 6 to 8 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. So that was the first beep, and then that was the second beep. Now once you hear the second beep, you can let go. And also another thing to keep in mind, you will need a charger, or basically a USB cable. And then once you have that, you're going to press on the PS button, and you're simply going to go down to rebuild database, and then you're going to click on OK. Now once you click on OK, you guys should be good to go. It might also something to keep in mind is that it might take a few hours to even a few seconds. It basically just depends on when was the last time you did it. And yeah. So once the database has been rebuilt, you guys should be good to go. The error code should be good, and you guys should be good to, basically, you should be playing your game without any problems whatsoever. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.